That's right. The president's in a meeting here with Baltic leaders at the White House, but he's also talking about Amazon in some extended comments that we're going to get on tape here momentarily. But what we know from reporters in the room is that he talks about Amazon. He says that the post office, the Postal Service in the United States, delivers packages for Amazon at below market cost. He says they have the money to pay a fair rate. A lot of retailers around the country are going out of business. He says the U.S. is effectively giving a subsidy to Amazon here and says that they're giving billions of dollars a year to Amazon. So the president continuing his sharp and pointed criticism of Amazon. We've seen that on Twitter over the past couple of days. Now we're seeing it in the White House on camera. We should have those comments on tape here in just a couple of minutes. But of course, the real question here is whether the president is prepared to take any concrete steps against Amazon in terms of the policy of this administration. Is he going to take a move against some of their federal contracts? Is he going to take a move against their relationship with the Postal Service? We don't know the answers to those questions, so it's not clear right now, Scott, whether or not there's any specifics here coming from this administration, or whether the president is simply, as he is wont to do, just venting about a problem that's irking him right now.
Yeah, it's interesting, Eamon, get your reaction to what Gabriel Sherman's reporting was earlier, that the incoming chief economic advisor to the president, Larry Kudlow, is in agreement with the president that Amazon is a, quote, problem, whereas the outgoing NEC chair, Gary Cohn, was apparently urging the president behind the scenes not to attack the company in the manner he was, because the relationship with the post office wasn't what the president thought it was.
Yeah, look, I mean, I know Gary Cohn was not a critic of Amazon in the way that the president is a critic of Amazon. I can't confirm what Larry Kudlow's stance is right now on Amazon. We know that the president met with Larry Kudlow yesterday, along with Gary Cohn, in the Oval Office at a time when this trade war talk is heating up, and at a time when his criticism of Amazon was heating up. But we don't know what was said in that meeting between those two advisors and the president. That was an opportunity for the folks who are sort of the more free market bent to bend the president's ear a little bit away from some of the more protectionist members of this administration. But it's clearly, if they did do that, it hasn't taken the right effect that they would have wanted, because the president still here criticizing Amazon. Unclear at this point what the end game here is for the president.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.